This is my zucchini casserole. 4 carbs per serving. There's 6 servings in there. Extra cheese. I've got pepper jack cheese and some extra old cheddar. My zucchini casserole is very low in carbohydrates. It's 4 carbs per serving. You get 6 servings out of this dish. It's extra cheesy. It's delicious. It's the first to go at a party or a potluck, or you can have it for a weekday meal. It's just perfect. So the first thing that I did was I took 4 cups. The recipe for this is going to be below in the comments. I've got 4 cups of zucchini in 1-inch pieces, and I steamed it for 3 minutes exactly, and then I just dried it in the colander like that. I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees, and I've got 3 eggs that I'm just going to throw into this bowl here, and I'm going to beat them up. I've got some full-fat yogurt or sour cream. I'm using yogurt today though. Nice Greek yogurt. A couple tablespoons of mayonnaise. And some onion powder. Some garlic salt. And some fresh cracked pepper. And I'll just mix this up. Okay, that's up to 350. And calls for 8 ounces of cheese, shredded cheese. I'm using 2 types of cheese today. I'm using a pepper jack, and I'm using 2 types of cheddar, and they're both shredded. So I'm just going to fold in the pepper jack cheese. This is really cheesy. First to go at a party. That's nicely coated. And this is, see, it's not soggy at all. It's cooled down. I did this about half an hour ago, and it's still lukewarm, but it's not wet. Zucchini can be very wet. That's why I like to steam it. So I'm going to put these in and fold it around. Coat everything. Oh, it smells good already. And an 8x8 casserole pan. And I've buttered it. I just put some butter on my finger. It went around the sides and the bottom. And I'm just going to pour this mixture in. Pat it down. And the shredded cheese goes on the top. Scattered over the top like that. I'm going to cover it with some foil. I'm going to let it go for 35 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes, till it's hot and bubbly, and then we'll take the top off and we can probably crisp up the cheese a little bit. So this is at 350 degrees. I'm cooking indirect. I got heat on this side, and nothing in the center. And I'm going to put it on the top shelf. 35 minutes. Okay, let's have a look at this zucchini casserole. It's really cheesy. So it went for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and then I added another 10 minutes. It wasn't quite bubbling yet. And then after 40 minutes, it started to bubble really good. So I took the tin foil off, and just to crisp up the cheese a little bit. And then I let it sit for another 10 minutes. It's still really hot though. But you can see what the cheese looks like on the top. You take this to any function, it's going to be the first thing that goes. This is comfort food at its finest. This is very easy to make. Yeah, comfort food. This would go really well with the green bean casserole. Any holidays, any parties, potlucks, fishing derby, any of that stuff. Be perfect. Look at that. It's still really hot. Extra cheesy zucchini casserole. Thanks for watching.